Hello everybody, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I painted my BTS On inspired design. This is a very special one since it is for their Map of the Soul 7 comeback. For this video I want to focus on the painting itself, so I won't be talking or giving instructions as much. I'm just going to be painting all of my nails a bright blue. I chose this bright blue because of the bright clear sky in the video. To make this background a little bit more interesting for the portraits, which we will be painting on top, I'm just going to be sponging on a light blue in select areas. So for this design, I decided to split up the members across my 4 fingernails. So because we have 4 fingernails and 7 members, I did 2 in each except for one of them. For the index fingernail, I did the 94 liners and I focused on their solo shots, or like the most memorable frame of them in the video. For my middle fingernail, I decided to do Jigook, and so that's Jungkook and Jimin. And for Jungkook, I decided to do his like solo shot during the bridge where he does all the high notes and everything. And then for Jimin, I wanted to do the body roll that he does because it is crazy and it pretty much took the life of many armies that day. And I thought this was a very special combination because Jungkook is wearing black and Jimin is wearing white, so it is kind of like the iconic black and white couple. For the index fingernail design, I decided to combine Tae and Jin. So at the top I did Jin, and this is his solo shot towards the end of the music video, whereas for Tae it is his solo shot in the beginning of the music video where he grabs onto his face and you can very clearly see his tattoo that says "Shadow Like Me." For the pinky fingernail, we have the last member, who is Suga, so I wanted to do the shot where he like kicks up, and it's also very special because for the comeback show he drew that as a spoiler, so I drew of course the sole of his shoes, and then you're going to see his head kind of popping off from the side. Moving on to the thumb, I made the same sort of background with the light blue. For the thumbnail design, I wanted to do something that wasn't just taken from the music video. I wanted to take something and kind of change it and make it a little bit more of my own, or what I could see as more BTS. So I used purple, and I just drew out their silhouette of them like hugging each other or holding onto each other at the end of the video, and I wanted to make it look like a purple galaxy and just how BTS is ARMY and ARMY is BTS, and we're all like the same people. Finally, I just top coated these designs to seal everything in and make sure they last as long as possible. That is it for my BTS On inspired nail look. This wasn't much of a tutorial, but I hope you guys still enjoyed seeing the process of me painting the design, and I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye everyone!